Okay, so I am going to go through an example of what I want your work to look like on the following slides. You are going to be finding the unit rate, and you just, or should have, watched an Edpuzzle learning what unit rate is and how to find it. So I'm going to just use this example. If you need to write this down in your notebook so you can refer back to it, then I highly suggest you do so. We're going to find the unit rate of this situation about Mr. Lust. It says, last summer, Mr. Lust visited 24 cities on his motorcycle in 8 days. So the first thing we need to do is find that original ratio. We're going to start with our original ratio, and that is 24 cities in 8 days. Now remember, we're finding unit rate, and unit rate means how much for just one. So I don't want to know how many cities Mr. Lust visited in 8 days. I want to know how many cities he visited in 1 day. So remember, we're dividing when we find unit rate, and 24 divided by 8 is 3 cities in 1 day. 3 cities per day. So as you can see, as you're doing your work, you're going to start with your original ratio and put it on the left. Then you're going to divide. Remember, it's division that helps us find unit rate, and turn it into the unit rate with your second equivalent ratio on the right. And you should always, always, always have down here in this bottom right a 1, because you are telling me how much for just 1. I'll definitely expect to see not just your numbers, so I didn't just put 24 to 8. I put 24 cities, I gave it its label, and 8 days gave it its label. Same with my other ratio, cities and days. Feel free, kiddos, to use a calculator. I didn't, of course, need to on this problem because we should all be able to do 24 divided by 8 easily. But if it is a higher number or numbers that are not as familiar to you, feel free to use your calculator for your division.